Hello friends, in this video we'll be learning to use the Open Sandcore software, which is an open source interactive whiteboard software. Now firstly coming to this tool, coming to this tool, this is the stylus tool, and this icon is used to show or hide the tool palette linked to the stylus. So in this so In this palette, we have this annotation button. This annotation tool is for annotating any text or video or for making any kinds of mark on this board. Now, second tool on this palette is the eraser button, which is used for erasing the content or object which has been made on this whiteboard screen. Third is for highlighting. This is for highlighting any object on the screen. Next is for selecting an object. Like I've selected the highlight. I have made the highlightings I have done on this board. So is the next tool is for moving the page. Then this is for zooming a part of the page, zoom in, and this is for zooming out at the page. Then next is a kind of laser pointer. Next is for creating the text box. This this is for selecting a part of the screen, and this is for creating a virtual keyboard. So next option we have is of backgrounds. We can choose from four different backgrounds. One is plain light background. Then second one is the grid view. Third one is the black background. And we see the color options for the annotation pen and for highlighter also changes when we change the background from white to black. Then similarly we have a grid view in the darker background. Then next options we all familiar with are the undo and redo. For undoing an action, see, and for redoing an action. Then pages for adding more pages. See, we can add a number of pages using this option. Then previous and next for going back to previous pages, and next for going to the next pages. Then we have this eraser option to clear the contents of the page. See, the page does not get deleted, but only its content gets deleted. So next option we have for groups. See, this software Sandcore has introduced the concept of objects for all items added to pages, and more specifically for the annotations. So this has made it possible to add other novelties like grouping, ungrouping, and for rotation. Like we'll take two objects. See, these are independent objects. So we can group them so that they behave as one object. We can also rotate it. See, we can rotate it, and we can also perform a horizontal or vertical axial symmetry for the image by sliding the handle to its opposite side like this. So next option we have is the flat pan or the left panel. Now this panel is used to preview the content of the page, and this can be done from any page in the document. A number of other information is displayed in this particular pane. See, here we can see different pages which are in this document, and we can also do some actions here, like we can delete, we can make a copy, or we can move it up or down using this option. The next functionality available to us is the library, which is available in the right pane. So in this library we have different elements like audios, movies, pictures, animations, interactives, applications, shapes, favorites, web search, and the likes. The web search option is not currently working in this particular version. So we have different audios which we can add to the page like this. This is the default library. Then we have movies like this. Pictures, animations. So these are the default options we have. But if we want to add some more audios or movies to these folders, we can do that too. For this, what we need to do, we need to go to the program files where our this software is installed. So, see, we need an MP4 file for it, which we can create, or we can even download from YouTube or from some any other external source. So for example, if we take this video, copy, and we'll be copying it to the program files folder. Open Sandcore library. Then we can put it in any of the folders, or we can create our own folder. See, after this we'll have to restart our after this we need to restart our software. So those files we have copied, those will would be available here. See, this is available. I think I'm not able to play the content of the video because of the larger size. Anyways, this is the way which by which we can add our own videos to this folder. So likewise, we have other options. We have pictures, we have animations, and a lot more to explore. Like we have this calculator. So like this, we have a number of options available for doing a lot of work which is useful for the students. Now for managing the documents, Open Sandcore uh, saves everything we do. All the sessions are recorded and saved with a timestamp, that is by the date and time of its creation. Anytime we can always go back to any of the previous files and we can view the work done in that files, and we can even use those files as a template for doing for modification and for doing some new work. We can create models or templates and we can use them for see, and we can also delete them as trash. Trash is like a recycle bin. See, this I can edit, and this will be resaved. This will be saved again as a with a new timestamp. See, I've created a template. Now, if I want to work on it, I need to put it in the documents pane, and now I can always open it and make changes to it. This is how the documents are managed in this Open Sandcore.